anything that's been gone through cooking, it's slightly acidic. Your body can handle up to 20% from the acidic side. And all the animal proteins, anything processed, the more processing, the more acidic it is. All the fruit are acidic or extremely high in sugars that produce an acidic effect on your body. And they're all basically suitable for seeding, not for necessarily optimal consumption. Though, as I said, you can make your diet, if you're a healthy individual, 20% or so, possibly even more. But primarily, it's not the youthing approach as far as life is concerned. So, alkalizing, maintaining alkalinity, you get it out of the greens, out of the vegetables, out of especially the baby greens, the microgreens. These are your superfoods because they contain the youthing components, the young blood, whereas vegetables that are gone to maturity, they contain old blood. So you might get still the chlorophyll, you'll still get the alkalinity, but you will not get the phytonutrients, nutraceuticals that are interdependent to your hormonal levels, to your stem cell production, and basically human growth hormones and all of that kind of stuff. So that would be the optimal choice. So that would be one. Then so that alkalizing is extremely important for vitality, energy. Now, secondly, it's the oxygen is something that is required in every one of your chemical reactions. And if you look at the number 10, follow it up by 30 zero, 28 zeros, that's a huge big number. And that's how many chemical reactions, that large number, take place in your body every second to maintain the life force. Every one of them are dependent on oxygen and enzymes. Oxygen availability has been diminished to the point when I was a youngster, it was 21% in the air. Right now, it's between 10 and 15%, extremely reduced. And we're even in 1965, in an environmental journal, it stated that we are consuming oxygen at a rate 5 times faster than it was being produced. Right now, it's even faster. And also, we have lost over 60% of the phytoplanktons in the ocean, which are producing over 85 to 90% of the oxygen in our planetary environment. We're shutting down our oxygen levels. According to studies, if one compared the red blood cell and hemoglobin levels of something 100 years ago, we would be, by their standards, everybody in the planet Earth would be considered anemic by their standards. So we have a low red blood cell, low hemoglobin, and this is due to the fact that low level of consumption of greens. Greens basically move into increasing radically